Hey guys, in today's video, let's look at how to add VBA code in PowerPoint. It's something that you guys have asked for, so yeah, just thought I'd do a simple one to show you. The first thing we got to do is add the developer tab to our ribbon. So to do that, go to File, then go to Options, and under Options, click on Customize Ribbon. Now on the right hand side, make sure you have this developer tab checked. So once it's checked, you can press OK. You'll see the developer tab appear on the top. Okay, so for just for a simple example, let's maybe do some VBA code that changes the title and subtitle on our slide. The first thing we got to do is find the name of the object that we want to change, and so that we can set it in our VBA and then modify the property. So to do that, to find the name of the object, you could click on it, and so then the shape format drawing tools option appears. Then you want to head to the selection pane, and you'll see we have a title 1 and a subtitle 2 that we can use to change our text with in VBA. So now before we get started, one final thing we need to do is to save this. So let's save, and yeah, before you save it, you need to change the type to a macro enabled presentation. That's similar to, in Excel, you save it as a macro enabled workbook. Okay, I'll just keep it as presentation 1 and save that. Yeah, so I had an old pptm file. Okay, so let's get started. So we go to developer and we go to Visual Basic. Let's under the VBA project, insert a new module. And okay, so let's do a simple one. Let's call it title change. So subtitle change. Yeah, the name doesn't really matter so much. Okay, so this is the active presentation. So with the active presentation and the slides object, slides, and this is the first slide. So with this, and we can end our width as well. So now between the width, so with this object, what do we want to do? We want to change the title and the subtitle. So what we can do is dot shapes, yeah, and then so that appears, and then we will give it the name title 1. So dot text frame dot text range dot text. Then we'll set it to what we want our new title to be. I changed the title. Then so, and very similar for the subtitle dot shapes, and I think the name was subtitle 2. Subtitle 2. So with active presentation dot slides 1 dot shape subtitle 2, and again the same text frame dot text range dot text. Then we'll set the text value. Looks like this works. Okay, so this is the change we want to make. So we'll just go save here, and then we can run it like we do in Excel. So let's go ahead and run that. And if we were to go back to our PowerPoint, you can see that the title and the subtitle have changed. So this is just a simple basic example. In a future video, I'll show you how you can link your Excel workbook to PowerPoint, and then you can use that to modify the colors of your buttons, of the shapes on your PowerPoint slide, to make your, for example, traffic lights automatic. Yeah, that's one useful scenario that I've done for a couple of clients. And yeah, so hope you guys found this useful, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.